Hi, my name is Ralph, and in this hopefully short video I'm going to step you through WordPress plugin and its modification that have helped me tremendously in solving a problem that I had on my membership sites. The problem originally came from the fact that I wanted to protect my content from people who should not have access to that content, and I also wanted to protect my content from being abused by people who do have access to that content. That second problem was pretty much solved by Amazon S3. S3 standing for Simple Storage Services. Amazon S3 has the ability to do what's called query string authorization, where you put additional characters at the end of your link, and Amazon uses that to protect your content. The problem, which we solved today, is that additional information causes some serious issues with video players. So we'll see a couple of solutions to that in this video. Now, in order to keep this as short as possible, I won't go into all the details. You can find those details at my website. That's www.iwantmine.com/micromembership. Okay, let's get started. What I'm going to do is put a video right in this area, and the plugin that I use for my video is called HANA FLV Player. And the nice thing about this is that it comes bundled with 4 players, all of which are licensed. 3 of them are GPL licensed, but they're all licensed so that you can use this information freely in a commercial environment. It's great for me. So let's go to the web page, and HANA FLV Player has this nice little button. It's also in the HTML view. I'll use that because it actually comes out looking prettier when you do that. And let me grab the link. You'll need the link to your video. And I'm also going to put a title or description in there, and it's what Google uses. Hit OK, and it has placed this information into my page. If I update my page and look at that page, there's my video with all of the features that I want in a video. Volume shows the time of the video. It will allow you to go full screen. It's a great little player. The problem with this is that the link to this video is available to the public, at least anyone who knows what they can do with that. If I go in and look at my source, it has the link to that video content, and there it is right there. There's my Amazon S3 account. If I take that and drop it into a browser, here's the worst thing that can happen. They can actually save my video off to a file, and that's not good. So what I'm going to do is show you the second part of this solution. It's a plugin called the Amazon S3 URL generator, and you notice it says mod there, and that's because I've made some modifications to make it work a little better, and those modifications are available to you at my website. The Amazon S3 URL generator uses your Amazon key, etc., the Amazon key and a secret key to keep things to use for authorization. It also lets you set an expiration for the link. I've got mine set to 30 seconds. You could actually set it to something less than that. So what I'm going to do now is take this and put the code in there for the Amazon S3 URL generator so it knows what to do. This bucket is my Amazon S3 bucket, and this is the way to get to the content, in this case the file, and that's all I've got to do. If I update my page, two things are going to happen here. And before we do that, let's go into my Amazon account and look at how protections are set. Now, the first thing everybody tells you to do is set all users to be able to read the content. That works great. That allows them access, but it also allows access to everyone. Everyone has access to your content. So you want to get rid of that. And you want to say, I want authenticated users to be able to read my content. Now, if we go back to the website, refresh the front page, we have our video again, plays like it should. Let's turn down the volume. But now, if I go out and try to grab that link, there it is. And if you can see this, you'll notice that it looks quite a bit different because of all of the extra characters that have been added to this to allow for the authorization. And if I place that in my browser, I get something that I really like to see, and that's access denied, because my 30 seconds have expired. So in that very short period of time that it took me to copy that link and paste it in my browser, it has become inactive. Doesn't matter though for my video. If I go back to look at my video, it's still running, as you notice here, even though the 30 seconds is out, because once you've got that link, once you access that link, it creates a session, and that session remains active as long as that video is downloading. So this worked great. I love it. If you'd like a copy of the modified Amazon S3 URL generator, please go to my website, www.iwantmine.com/micromembership, and you can get it there. Thank you very much, and I hope this was helpful. Take care.